It's not very stylish. All right, as promised, we are back and the weather is doing a lot better now. We are gonna go fly the Josh Bardwell drone. We're gonna see how this is. It's 52 degrees outside, a little bit of wind. I'm actually on my way to find a park. Based on Google Maps, I think I've found a park that'll be okay to fly. It's available to fly per all the apps I've checked. It looks like it might be near an abandoned school, which would be kind of cool. I really don't know if the school's abandoned or not, but besides the park, there was a pretty big field. It looked like maybe a basketball court. So that's where we're headed right now. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, so we did find a spot. It's about what I expected it to be. I don't know if the school's abandoned completely, but there's like 2 cars there. I don't see any kids, and this playground's definitely not part of the school, so I think we're good. I do have, it doesn't seem to be active. There's 2 wells here on an old site. Pump jacks are dead, so they're not moving. That's actually interesting to look in, so I'm not worried about that. We should be fine there. I'm not going to get near the pump jacks, but it is pretty windy out here. I'm not going to lie. I can definitely tell it's starting to cool off, so let's hurry and get in the air, and let's put a couple batteries through this thing and see how it flies. All right, here we go. Ooh, this is different. Holy crap, this is awesome. I can definitely feel the wind pushing me. Oh, look, somebody's out here doing donuts. Look at the grass. That is crazy you can see that. Oh, this is definitely gonna take some getting used to. So I did put it a couple hours in on the sim, but my goodness. Whoa, RX loss. What was that from? Is that because I went behind me? Make sure my antennas are up. My antennas are up. Seem to be maybe anything behind me is kind of dangerous. I did go behind the car, so let's try to stay maybe out in front of me. I'm just trying to get a feel for it right now. Holy crap. I really wish it wasn't as windy. I'd be comfortable doing a lot more. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty nervous right now. Oh, look at that. What is this? That's an open lot. Oh, it's a train track. What the heck? I didn't even know there was a train track back there. Oh, I want to do it, but I'm not. Could you imagine getting a shot of the train coming? I feel like this is what's going to lead into, is more cinematic for me. I do enjoy this freestyle. It's cool being able to do stuff like that, but I do get a feeling it's going to turn into more of a cinematic hobby for me. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if we can land it. No, it's fairly uneventful, but wow, it's cold. It's not a bad thing, I don't guess. We didn't wreck it. Okay, feel better. Let's have a good time with this battery, huh? Chances of me wrecking, pretty high. Woo! Not even close. That's why we build them, right? To wreck them? I guess really not to wreck them, but to have fun. But if it does get wrecked, oh well. It's part of it. Oh, the wind, dig, dig, dig. The tree. Oh, thought I hit the tree. If I wasn't fearful of the RX loss, I would go back and gander at the railroad track. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find me some structure one of these days where I can actually play. Oh, you know what? I might be able to do this. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. I gotta get better at that. I am going to go stand on the other side. Oh, car locked. And there we go. Now we can play. Oh my gosh, the wind. I regret this. That is so cool. Something tells me this is a bad idea. Easy does it. All right, I'm not trained enough for that. Let's do this one. Okay, easy. I can do that one. Oh crap, there's a branch. There's no way I'm gonna go through the small one. Props to some of those guys online though. They make this look a lot easier than what it is. Oh, I could have done it. I think I could have done it. I'm too scared. I need more practice. You know how sick that would be? Oh, there is no way. Oof. I want to do it, but I'm not going to. I've had enough. It is cold. It is very cold. So now the question is it worth the hype? If you want to be addicted to FPV drone flying, and it's all you want to think about. Yeah, it's pretty badass. I gotta order some more batteries. We'll see you guys.